Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
We're really happy you're here today.
Today, we're talking about something many English learners struggle with: how to respond in English fast and how to understand native speakers better.
Yeah, not textbook English, not grammar lessons, real life English, the kind you need when someone suddenly asks you a question.
At work, at school, with friends, even on the phone.
And by the end of this episode, you'll feel more ready and more confident in real conversations.
If you enjoy learning this way, relaxed and practical, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
All right, take a deep breath.
Let's get started.
Sarah, can I say something honest?
Always.
Even advanced learners sometimes freeze when someone speaks fast.
Oh yes, that moment when someone asks you a simple question and your brain goes blank.
You understand English, you studied grammar, but suddenly, nothing comes out.
And then later, maybe 10 minutes later, you think, oh, that's what I should have said.
Exactly.
If that happens to you, listen carefully. This is normal.
It doesn't mean your English is bad.
It means you need ready-made responses.
Native speakers don't build sentences from zero every time.
They use patterns, short reactions, thanking phrases.
So today, we'll give you those patterns.
Phrase 1, it depends.
Sarah, let's start simple. It depends.
Very powerful phrase.
If I ask you, do you like working from home?
You can say, it depends, then add a small reason.
It depends. Sometimes it's quiet, but sometimes I feel lonely.
See? Instant answer, no stress.
Phrase 2. That makes sense.
If someone says, I left early because I was tired,
You respond, oh, that makes sense.
it shows understanding.
Phrase 3. I see what you mean.
If someone says, this restaurant is good, but it's expensive,
You say, yeah, I see what you mean.
it feels natural and friendly.
Phrase 4. Let me think.
This one saves you.
Yes, instead of silence, say, let me think.
Example, what did you do last weekend?
Let me think. Oh yes, I visited my cousin.
It gives your brain time.
Phrase 5. To be honest.
When you want to share your real opinion.
To be honest, I was nervous.
To be honest, I don't really like spicy food.
Phrase 6. Actually,
This is for gentle correction.
I thought you were busy.
Actually, I finished early.
Phrase 7. That's a good question.
If someone asks something difficult,
Why did you choose this career?
that's a good question.
Then you think. It buys time. Phrase 8. I'm not sure, but
You don't need perfect answers.
I'm not sure, but I think it starts at 8.
Very natural.
Phrase 9. It sounds like.
Someone says, I've been working all day.
It sounds like you're tired. Phrase 10. By the way.
To change topics smoothly.
By the way, are you free tomorrow?
I'm not sure, but I'll let you know.
Simple, natural, real.
Now, let's practice together.
Say it out loud. Yes, really.
I'll say it first.
Then I'll repeat it.
It depends.
It depends. Pause.
Let me think.
Let me think. Okay? Pause.
To be honest, I was nervous.
To be honest, I was nervous. Pause.
I'm not sure, but I'll check.
I'm not sure, but I'll check. Pause.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. Pause.
Good. Take your time.
Speed comes later, comfort comes first.
Let's do a short conversation using these phrases.
I'll start. Do you like your new job?
It depends. The team is great, but it's very busy.
Why did you choose it?
That's a good question. To be honest, I wanted a challenge.
You look tired.
It sounds like I need more sleep.
Are you free this weekend?
I'm not sure, but I'll let you know.
By the way, we're planning dinner.
Oh, that makes sense. Text me the details.
Simple, natural, real.
Now, let's talk about understanding native speakers.
Here's something important. Don't try to understand every word.
Yes, listen for patterns. Common reactions like, it depends. You know, I'm not sure. Let me think.
When your brain recognizes patterns, you understand faster.
Also, native speakers connect words. Did you becomes didja.
Going to becomes gonna.
Don't panic when you hear that.
Focus on meaning, not perfection.
You're doing better than you think.
Let's quickly review.
Today, you practiced 10 powerful phrases to respond faster.
Short, natural, easy to use.
Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast,
It's about feeling comfortable.
and comfort comes from repetition.
Replay this episode.
Practice with us again tomorrow.
And before you go,
Write one sentence in the comments using today's phrase.
maybe start with "to be honest" or "it depends."
Keep it simple.
We'll read it.
Take your time.
You're improving every day.
See you in the next episode.